Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, my name is Phumelele Khumalo. I am the co-founder of Get to Natural. We formulate, manufacture, and distribute hair and skincare products. Our products have been tested. Some of the products that we offer are hair care products is spray, butter, oil to moisturize, seal, and lock moisture in weleni. They also help to promote hair growth. As well as skin care is toner, insipho, as well as serums out and hyaluronic acid and niacinamide to help fight acne and blemishes, and also combat that anti-aging or aging issues that we have. So abantu bengathola ama products ethu ku Instagram, ku Facebook, as well as online usithola ngo Get to Natural, that is G2N as well if we funa ukufaka ibencane. Online it's gettonatural.co.za, that is GET2 natural.co.za. Ungasithinta engcingweni usithinte ku WhatsApp 081 3677 455. Igama lami nguPhumelele Khumalo and I am a township entrepreneur.